In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a moving average or EMA indicator on your chart. To get started, look at the top toolbar of your charting platform and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all the built-in technical tools used to analyze price movement. If you're new to indicators, don't worry. A moving average is one of the most commonly used tools because it helps smooth out price action and makes trends easier to see. Once the indicators window opens, go to the search box and type either moving average or EMA. This will quickly filter the list so you can find the indicator you want without scrolling through everything manually. If you type moving average, you'll usually see the simple moving average option. If you type EMA, you'll find the exponential moving average, which reacts more quickly to recent price changes. Next, select either moving average simple or moving average exponential, depending on what you want to use. A simple moving average gives equal weight to all prices in the selected period, while an exponential moving average places more emphasis on recent candles or bars. Both are useful, so the best choice depends on your trading style and what kind of chart analysis you prefer. After selecting the indicator, it will appear directly on your chart. To customize it, move your attention to the top left legend area of the chart, where the indicator title is displayed. Click on the indicator title, then press the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the configuration panel for that specific indicator. In the Inputs tab, you can change the length setting to match your strategy. For example, many traders use 50 for a medium-term trend view or 200 for a longer-term trend perspective. Shorter lengths will follow price more closely, while longer lengths create a smoother line and may help highlight broader market direction. Enter your desired value carefully, then click OK to apply the change. Once you do that, your chart will update immediately with the new moving average setting. If the line looks too sensitive or too slow, you can always go back into the same settings panel and adjust the length again until it fits your needs. This simple process makes it easy to tailor the indicator to your analysis and improve chart readability.